doon po. Sa gitna yun.
Aba, ang harisan ko. Nakabukas ang harisan. Wala ang...
Alam ko na, ito.
Alin po?
Itong ano, is yun.
Alin po?
Ito pala, ayan, ito doon.
Alin po yun?
Ito,
Ang nanganganin po ay...
Oh, ayan,
you need to say
doon po, doon.
Ika masila yung mga bata dyan. Ganda rin yung hindi pinakakasuwa. Ito natin pag-usap. Ano po?
This is cancer. Anong key ito? Ano pong key ito?
Look at it.
Ano pong... What is this key for?
Ay, at na yung ito. Pagod yung natapon na yung aming sarili.
We have to keep this. Maybe this one is for there at that gate. That broken one. Noon madaming halaman kasi naputol. Ganda nga na nga naputol mo.
Kailan? Kailan po?
Nung 3 ako.
Nung 3 ka po?
That was my favorite part because there's a lot.
The boy is not using po and po. He is not magalang.
I'm a Bisaya.
You are not magalang kid.
I'm a Bisaya po.
That's why.
Mami, pag ano po, ay Bisaya po.
Aba.
Sometimes Bisaya state po.
No. Bisaya does not use po and opo.
Why?
I don't know. That is
Bisaya?
Bisaya. Bisaya is
Kala ko ay Bisaya. Bisaya.
as a place.
Bisayan
is a person.
Mami ba, ito yung shape niya. Tapos, lahat ay down. Yung may circle na cylinder. Pero, then ito yun. When you got the wrong key, it will not make the shape. When you put the right key, it will open.
Yes. No.
Diba there was a lot of cylinders like this? Cylinder.
Who told you that is a cylinder?
I know it because of YouTube.
Daig mo pa ako.
Ito pa din. Ito.
Daig tulula.
Unti lang
na kasi matanda na ako.
Unti na ito.
Mami,
meron silang tall na
Lula,
cylinder.
Mami, forget everything.
Long and tall cylinder. Long and short cylinder. So when you put the wrong key, it will not make the shape because kulang. Tapos when you do this key, then it will correct.
T-S-E.
Like this one, does it work? Because yung niya ay hindi perfect. At ito, perfect.
Let's say for it. The other one.
It's not working to lock anymore. Yun. Done. Ito yung...
Okay. Smart loss, ha?
Ito ay kailangan.
Careful.